Okay, well, the first thing we have to look at is what you submitted here is not the same folder structure we did in milestone one. So I don't know what happened in that sense, because what we're doing is we're building each week, each milestone. So what you submit in milestone one, you need to make the changes to whatever I have in the grade book, the feedback I give you. You want to make the changes, and then you want to use that same folder structure. So what will happen is that folder structure you have here, this should be identical to what we're working with, and you'll be submitting this entire file. So I'll start with the index page and I'll open up in brackets, for this part. So you had to go in, I pointed out a couple areas where you had to correct in that regards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take what you have here, okay, the contents of the body element. I'm going to copy this out and I'm going to put it into this area right here. Just so it gives you, that you can see it here. I'm going to indent this as well. I'm holding down the control key, it'd be the command key if you're on the Mac, and pressing the right square bracket. You can also go up to edit, indent, just makes it life easier to read. Okay. Also up here, just because I'm going to take the meta tag and the link tag, I'm going to move that over to this page. Okay, so again, what we're doing is we're modifying the pages that we used from milestone one and doing it here. Now with that, okay, then we have your link tag, and because, see, here's what's happening. Let me go back here. To the folder that you submitted. If I open up this page, it's most likely not going to apply the styles. Why? Because this code here is telling to go find the style sheet in the CSS folder. Well, when we look at our folder structure, you don't have a CSS folder. You would have to go in and create a new folder here, call it CSS, and move the style sheet inside there. So again, what's happening is I think you're not using the right folder structure that we did last week. So that's probably where it's getting confusion. So we have to use that existing folder. You have to make your changes to those pages. And then what you would do is then each of those pages that you have in that folder, product, about, and so forth, you would make the same changes to it for that purpose. And then once you do that, everything should start working out correctly. Now let me open up your style sheet here. Let me see what's, because, excuse me, everything that's in your style sheet right here is done correctly. So it really has to come down with the folder structure and how it's being organized.